This is Joe, and when I go into my daily report, this is the current way it's set up. I can push through, and I get the blank inspection report because there's no data attached to it. However, whenever I go to adding in your files that you prepared for me, the make daily report. And the template. When I go back to my website and hit print PDF, I'm left with a blank screen. And one thing to kind of mention in here, so I see your query and everything right here. The database structure is based on cascading tables. So I have, project number references, job number reference, these all reference index the different tables. In App Genie, as part of the generated files, I'm thinking the query fields for the CSV are probably the same fields that get put through, that I'm looking to be sent through on my web app for this file. So if you could take a look at that, and if you need any more information from me, but yeah, as of right now, whenever it goes through with the updated files, I'm just receiving a blank screen. It's not even calling the print PDF file. Yeah, for the output here, this is not even getting called. So there's some break in the code right here. I appreciate the putting through and getting the query set up and everything. But if you could take a look at that, I would much appreciate it. Thank you.